So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a no contact reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of this month, September 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes it's not for you guys, okay? Like sometimes it's very specific. Let me see the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Pisces. न बिन तेरे कभी कहो दिल बन जा पत्थर का. What's happening? So Pisces, it's like the attraction, the pull, the on and off, the in and out, the player kind of energy is completely done and gone here, out of this dynamics, out of the window. This is like pure love kind of energy, pure soulmate kind of energy that both of you are craving for, individually also and as a couple also. So what's happening here is you guys were very infatuated. One of you was definitely having this player like traits, even if they were not messing around with other people or having affair with other people. They were like always looking for something better. They were always like, okay, I should check out this person also. I should check out that person also. I should keep my options open, or I should flirt around and have fun and everything like that. Now, the person who was having that player like kind of tendencies is not having them anymore. They're not liking it anymore. They're not enjoying it anymore. Now, they are also craving for some kind of soulmate and deep rooted kind of energy when the other person who was seriously involved in the situation is not there anymore. Typical story of I don't care when you are with me, but when I lost you, or I only want you because now I understand your value. Now I understand you were the only person that loved me properly and honestly with all of your heart and soul. This is the story. One of you was like having the player like kind of tendency, and one of you was seriously involved in the situation. Now one of his the one who was seriously involved is not there anymore. They are done, they are gone, and the other player like energy is kind of regretting it big time. They're feeling defeated. They're kind of trying to figure out how to get that kind of soulmate kind of energy back in their life. Wow. So the mutual energy is of feeling defeated, feeling like a failure from both the sides, because the one who was seriously there is feeling like I wasted my time, effort, and energy. The one who was not there like that, they're like I missed a good opportunity with a good person. I lost a diamond in search of stones. Typical. That happens a lot with a lot of us, right? Okay, let's see the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment, honey. Nine of Swords. This is somebody who is not able to sleep at night. They feel continuously anxious about the situation. They feel continuously that they have lost something really good. Now they keep on making scenarios and stories in their mind, and that keeps them awake at night. Wow. So this person is feeling anxious, exhausted, and feeling like they lost something meaningful, something good. Especially at night when they're alone, their mind can't stop making scenarios and stories, and they are overwhelmed, anxious, depressed, having insomnia. Maybe they never did anything wrong in the situation, but about this situation, about this connection, they whenever they think about this, it gives them anxiety and anxious thoughts and depressing kind of energies. Nothing happy. Oh my god. From your side, we have the Nine of Pentacles. Okay. You are the one who is feeling blessed to be separated from this particular person or energy. You are working on yourself, you are feeling independent, you are feeling fresh, you are feeling like you have the world in your hand now. Now you are focused on yourself, your money, job, career, singlehood, enjoying the independent energy, enjoying your life to the fullest as much as you can, and creating a very beautiful future for yourself. You're like, I cannot be in this energy anymore. I can't wait for somebody who doesn't want to be there, right? For me, the way it should be. So you are feeling free and independent and fresh. Awesome. So the person that you're in no contact with, let me see what could be the possible intentions. Devil. This person wants to keep you hooked in the situation the way you were hooked at this person at some point of time. Even if it is toxic, even if it is unhealthy, even if they have anxious thoughts about losing the situation, they still want to keep you hooked with them. They want you to want them always, all the time. They don't want you to be happy and independent and doing your own thing and maybe, connecting with other people. So this person wants you to want them as badly as possible, badly and madly. And they know it's toxic, it's unhealthy, but they want you to be, kind of chasing them and running behind them. So they want you to want them so that they can keep you entangled, wrapped around their fingers, and do whatever they want to do. My God, still the same person. I hate it. Anyway, so let's see the intentions from your side. Ace of Swords, Pisces. I can't make these stories up. The cards that I get, you just want to stay like you just want to stay focused on your things, whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to do. You just want to stay focused on your clarity and understanding that you got because of this situation. Like, you got the proper clarity and understanding of what you want in your life, and you just want to remain focused on that. So I live nearby the airport area in Mumbai. So this music that you are listening to right now is the airplane passing by. Wow, have fun. So you want what you want because you got the clarity, and you just don't want to get manipulated by anything or anyone in this lifetime ever again. You're done. Pisces, you're done. You're like, I don't care. They were done. Don't give a damn. Now also you might be smiling because, yeah, Anjali, I know it. I knew it. Okay, why are you watching me then? Anyways, honey, the roles can be reversed also. Please keep that in mind. Let me see the possible action from this person's side, if any, by the end of this month. Five of Swords. They are going to be super focused on this anxiety, on this negative thoughts, on this energy of I lost somebody good, I lost them. They're never going to come back. They're never going to like act the way I want them to act anymore. The spell is broken. They are not in attraction, physical attraction with me anymore. I'm not able to give them the adrenaline rush anymore. I'm not able to play with their emotions anymore. They're stressed about all these things. They're not thinking about, oh, there's such a lovely person I lost and I should go towards them. You defeated a player, big, big, big time here, and now they're all stressed out and not able to understand what they did wrong right now also. I don't see them taking any action. I do see them like being in their head all the time and thinking about what they lost instead of what they did. My goodness. From your side, the Six of Pentacles, you're like, I'm balancing my own life, I'm doing my own thing. So you're waiting for that right person, right energy who is going to be there for you. In your actions, you're moving ahead towards new person, new energy, new connections. Maybe not romantically, but you are just balancing your own life, creating a balance in your personal and professional life, and creating a healthy boundary and doing your own thing. Period. For some of you, you might reach out to this person to talk to them maybe one last time if they are going to have this balanced kind of energy, but I think you are not going to succeed in that. But for most of you, it's going to be like, new Pisces, new energy, let's do my own thing, let's balance my own life, and bye bye. Okay, good for you, very good for you. Let's see what could be the possible outcome of the situation by the end of this month, Pisces. My God, it's already 2025 is almost gone. Six of Swords. It's like moving on towards calmer water. Hmm. Both of you, but in a different way, very different way. They are like, one side is very stressed out, still trying to figure out how to make the other person obsessed with them instead of doing their own thing, instead of working on their actions and taking accountability. One side is like very clear, very practical, very focused on themselves. So it's like moving on towards calmer water, finding their own peace individually, but nothing as of reconciliation, coming together, coming back together is happening as of now till the end of this month. So in the outcome, it's like moving ahead, doing your own things in a totally different way. Cool. For you, the guidance is the Ten of Swords. If you are taking this as a defeat in your life, Pisces, this is the most beautiful defeat that you have ever gone through, because this is actually making you the best version of yourself, forcing you to become the best version of yourself. For some of you, this situation literally forced you to start working with yourself. For some of you, it's like the awakening that, okay, I have to change myself, I have to change my vibrations and energies in order to attract the right kind of energies that I want in my life, right? So, this is not something that have wasted your time, efforts, and energy on. This is something that you learned because of this situation, and it was very, very important. Everything that happens to us is very important for all of us to grow as a soul, as a person. So do not take this situation as a waste of time and waste of efforts and waste of energy. You are what you are today because of this experience, these experiences. But today we are talking about this specific experience. So you haven't lost anything, Pisces. You have gained a lot of perspective. You have gained a lot of uh, self love, self care, and self respect. I don't care which side you are, you know. But Pisces, you still have the potential. If you are on the side who is like was a player and still trying to manipulate the energies, you still have the potential to change this defeat into something really meaningful, because the only ego can feel the defeat in such case. Like, even if I'm doing something really stupid and meaningless and I just want to win at any cost, the ego, it wants to win at any cost, not you. So you have the potential to change this defeat into something really meaningful and create something really beautiful for your life. If you are on the other side, like the one who's very clear and independent and everything and focused, you win. You won. You won this. Hmm? You are not you don't you haven't lost anything. You have won the situation. You have won this game with flying colors. Be happy, be proud of yourself. Okay, let's see what we have as the final message for you guys, Pisces. Codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. Maybe you were in a codependent relationships till this point of your life, even if it was 1 or 2 or 10 or 15. I don't care. I don't judge people, or anybody should not, because we have different energies, different journeys. But anyways, you were always in codependent kind of connections and relationships till this point of your life. Maybe, keep in mind, whenever you are going to go in the next connection, next situation, you are not going to lose yourself in that. You are going to find yourself in that, right? That you have to keep in mind. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.